Trimmers, these bad boys. Let's go.
See what happens? Post it, let's see what. Yo, it's your main man Ty coming to you doing a thing right now. I gotta check something out, I'm looking for something here. I gotta show you something. Something that's gonna blow your mind. Something that's gonna give you some information that's kinda gonna shock you. Let me see. Where are you? Let me see a couple of you here. Somewhere. Now, wait a minute now. Hold up now. This shelf, maybe I gotta go to the other shelves and shit. Let's see, because I don't, wait a minute. Hold up. Oh, yeah, right there. Yo. Oh, man. Yo, we definitely got to talk now. Yo, check this out. Yeah, you heard right. It's your main man Ty, back with the new hot joint, man. The number one and only, introducing to you the one, the only, the Hair Force One shaver, baby. Hair Force One. That's right. This one is exclusive to TYSTAR Barber World, man. You gotta get down with this bad boy. You gotta get on it. You gotta check it out. This is really, really fierce. Now, I'm gonna open this bad boy up so you can get a good look at this thing. To the side, we have the instruction manual on top. Okay, you should break down this bad boy. This thing runs exactly 3 hours straight, man. Okay, there's some serious cutting, man. This thing is vicious, man. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna show you right now. Moves out the way. I took it out there. And here it is. This is the one and only Hair Force One shaver. Like the sneakers Air Force One, but this is the Hair Force One shaver. You gotta get this bad boy. If you don't have this in your arsenal, you don't know what's up. Now, ANDIS is right now selling something just like this bad boy for how much? For almost $200, y'all. Almost $200. TYSTAR Barber World is selling for $200. They ain't selling for $100. They selling for $69.95, bro. That's right. Get yours right now, and this one works. I'm telling you right now, this one is better than the ANDIS. It works better than the ANDIS. I am going to do a follow-up cut video on it real quick. It's going to blow your mind. Now, right now, I'm going to do the unboxing. Take this off. And as you can see, on the bottom, there you go, where the plug goes. You understand? All you got to do is just charge it for 1 hour. You get 3 hour usage this bad boy with no problem at all. Look at this. Look at this blade. Look at that. You're talking about awesome. You're talking about beautiful. You're talking about ferocious cuts, man. I mean, baby smooth. You get that baby ass smooth. You know what I'm saying? It's that smooth. Also, besides that, right here, I have to do a quick video. I'm holding this bad boy right here, right now. Quick video to pull this thing up some kind of way. I'll get this thing. I can get a little help over here, baby. Here it is. I finally got it. Now, inside of here is a full package, just like the Babeless. Okay? Turn it up. The full package, like baby. And what's that? TYSTAR. That's right. TYSTAR Barber World business cards. It's up inside this bad boy. Right? You go ahead to the side. Open it up. It's kind of hard to open, but I got it. Just like the Babeless box at the bottom. When you get a Babeless clipper or trimmer. Inside, you have the cord right here. You also have a little brush. You have the stand. A stand? Wait a minute, what's going on here? That's right, a stand, baby. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Look at this, man. And yo, here we go. Did you read out on the bad boy, yo? Digital read out. The thing is turning and sliding, you gotta slide it back. The power is insane on this bad boy. Look at this. Your ANDIS don't even have a digital readout on it. It just stop when it stop. And you shit out of luck. All that. It can do it all, man. But how about this? You hear it? You hear it? How about this? Slow it down. Okay? Slow it down when you need to slow it down. Speed it up We need to speed it up super high. Almost 10,000 RPMs. You're talking about off the chain, bro. Yo, Andis can't mess with this. The Air Force One shaver, exclusively at TYSTAR Barber World. You will see, I'll put the bottom information on the bottom where to get them from, how to get them. Only $69.95 to save yourself $130. Get this one. This one even got 2 speeds, because even faster than Andis. What are you waiting for? Save yourself some money. Call your man Ty today. Yo, I'm hitting you up on this one. Press it, hold it. Yo, I'm letting y'all know now, your man Ty looking out for y'all. TYSTAR Barber on the game again. Air Force One. Air Force One shavers. Like the Air Force One singers, Air Force One shavers. All right? It's right here now, coming to a store near you. Your main man Ty going, yo, peace, baby.